Good morning, cadets. Today, I, Cadet Mishika Goel of 1 Chandigarh Naval Unit, is here to explain the topic Types of Natural Disasters under Civil Affairs. Since the dawn of civilization, human society, natural environment, and disasters have been closely interlinked. Natural disasters threaten all three dimensions of development that include economic, social, and environmental. Classification of natural disasters. First, natural disasters can be classified under natural or man-made disasters. Natural disasters. These are of the following types: wind-related, storms, cyclones, tornadoes, and tidal winds; water-related, floods, cloudbursts, excessive rains, and droughts; earth-related, earthquakes, tsunamis, landslides, and volcanic eruptions; man-made disasters. These can be categorized under A. Accidents, road, rail, air, sea accidents or building collapse; industrial mishaps, gas leaks, explosion and safety breaches; fires in buildings, coal fields or oil gas fields; forest fires. In tropical countries, forest fires are often made man-made. Contamination, incidents of mass food poisoning, water. Contamination, liquor poisoning and epidemics; terrorist activities, serial blasts, explosions in public transport or markets; ecologically, pollution of air, loss of biodiversity, global warming, nuclear accidents; warfare, conventional, chemical, biological, or nuclear. Types of natural disasters. Number one, volcanoes. These come from the Latin word Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Volcanoes erupt when the lower level of the Earth's crust push up on the hot magma, causing the volcano to burst to the top layer of the Earth. The volcano erupts, magma, ashes, and other gases are released from the beneath of the Earth. The melting molten rock is called lava when the above surface and is referred to as magma when in the below surface. Because the molten lava is so hot, sometimes reaching over 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, anything that it comes in contact with can burn or melt. The ash that is sent from the top of the volcano can be carried hundreds of miles by the wind. Volcanoes can be both active or dormant volcanoes and can be found both on land or under the sea. Landslides. Landslides are mostly caused by the movement in the ground and the force of gravity pulling down on all earthy objects. Landslides can also be caused by heavy rain, earthquakes, and even some man-made causes such as road work. Effects of landslides include collapsing buildings, collapsing roads, and even sometimes causing death. Earthquakes. Earthquakes are one of the many powerful natural disasters caused when there is a shift, collision, or sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, sometimes called tremors and tremors. Earthquakes usually occur on the boundaries of or near the lines where the Earth's tectonic plates collide and slide past each other. This is mainly called a fault line. The Richter magnitude scale is used to classify and measure the magnitude of earthquakes. The Richter scale was invented by Charles F. Richter in 1931 and scales from 1 to 9. Tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word meaning a harbor wave. Tsunami usually take place in the ocean but can also occur in large lakes. These are caused by an underwater earthquake, volcano, landslide, or other type of explosion. Tsunami are giant waves that can destroy the entire city. Hurricane. Sometimes called tropical cyclones, typhoons, or wind, hurricanes can rip up trees, destroy crops, and flatten buildings. Torrential rain causes flooding, and coastal regions may be swamped by huge waves whipped up by winds that blow as fast as 300 km per hour. Hurricanes start to form when the sun's heat stirs up moisture over the oceans. When the temperature at the center of the storm, called the eye, can be more than 300 kilometers across and the winds only gale force. But as the eye narrows to about 50 kilometers across, the winds begin to swirl around it as a hurricane force. Cyclones possess a major threat to lives and property in many parts of the world. Floods. It can arise from abnormal heavy precipitation, dam failures, rapid snow melting, river blockages, or even burst water mains. It is usually sudden in onset. Major floods result in physical damage, death, and injuries, problems in drinking water supply and food shortages, and displacement of population. Thank you.